ating Chicks in the City, talagang mapapashoot tayo sa kanyang napaka-sexing rap number.
Ladies and gentlemen, Chicks in the City.
Number 2, Shirley Gregorio.
Ooh, yeah, I wanna shoot, baby. Here I go, here I go, here I go again.
Yeah.
Girls, what's my weakness, man? Okay, then
Yeah.
chillin', chillin', minding my business.
Yeah.
I sort of looked around and I couldn't believe this. I swear,
Stupid.
I said, my knees, my witness. The brother had it going on with something kinda, wicked, wicked.
Stupid.
Had to kick it. I'm not shy, so I asked for a dip in the oh no, fatso made me see that I won't slip, slide till I'm flipsy. Hold on to my hips, so I dip back to my bag of tricks. Then I flip for a dip, made me wanna do tricks. Look 'em like a lollipop should be lit. Came to the pieces and I chilled for a bit. I don't know how you do the oo-doo that you do so well. That's a spell. Hell makes me wanna shoot. Peace.
Yeah, peace. Ayan, mga kaibigan nating second Chicks in the City, si Shirley Gregorio. Yan, siya po ay tubong San Fernando, La
Oh, yun,
Union.
masarap dyan, maganda pumunta dyan, mga beaches.
Yan, mga beaches. Mahilig ka bang mag-swimming?
Yes.
Talaga?
Yes.
Salita ka naman. 19 years old po siya, mga kaibigan, planning to take up mass communication. Bayani.
Bakit planning? Magka-college ka pa lang.
Yes, I haven't decided whether I want to go to school here. Unfortunately, it took me more than a year
So-
to find out what I want to do.
Oh, really? What else do you want to achieve in your future sentence? Near future.
Yeah.
Aside from being a mass communication student, maybe do you want to graduate from a mass communication course?
Yes, I do.
But
Okay, your question,
this
Bayani.
is my question.
In English.
We are tickling. Kaya Kuya Randy?
Ikaw na, ito
We are tickling in any parts of our body. So you have to be an expert in searching the tickles within our body. Where do you think my tickling parts located?
Tickling dito.
Di ba yun? Parang ba tickling niya ngayon? Sa may bukit?
Okay. What do you think? Where is the tickling part
The
of
tickling
Bayani?
part of my body.
Your belly?
Yeah, belly? Belly. Yeah, belly.
Okay. Why?
Why? Why belly?
Because I'm very ticklish and my weak spot is my belly. And
Really?
Where's your
And
belly?
I have a big crush on you.
That's not the first time I heard it. Many chicks.
You see, I'm perspiring.
Yeah, okay. So,
And I want to touch you on the belly.
well, what do you want him to do? Take off the shirt?
No, what? No.
Okay.
You want to take my shirt off this?
Yeah, why not?
Can I raise your shirt up?
Yeah.
Or lift your shirt?
Okay. All right, yeah. Why not all?
That's not my tickling part.
It's not
No,
the
don't mention it. Don't.
Where?
You're laughing.
That's my music.
Ayan. Is that the tickling part?
No.
Oh, look for one other one.
Ay, that's the tickling part. This is the tickling part.
No.
You won, huh? Congratulations. This is my tickling part. Thank you, Shirley Gregorio Shine.
Nakalusot ka na naman. Thank you very much, Shirley. Ngayon naman, mga kaibigan, ipapakilala po natin, ipapamalo siya ang kanyang kaseksihan sa isang sayaw na modern dance, Chicks in the City, number 3, Cherry Esther Salazar. Si Direk Bobet po, may asawa na po. Buti,
May asawa na po siya. Yung pong bunso niyang anak, inaanak po namin. Mabait pong ano yan, may bahay.
Ako sa ko lang, Tita Cory, I love you. An Isa gift pa containing Isa Botanica with papaya, Isa whitening soap, liquid papaya and whitening for N plus 3,000 na bibigay natin para sa ating special Isa girl.
Ayan, ito na nanalo, Kuya Randy. Special award sa Isa Botanicas Chick na may maladermang balat. Chick in the City, number 2, Shirley Gregorio.
Shirley Gregorio, number 2. Ang ating Isa Girl. Congratulations. Ayan.
Tuwan-tuwa si Shirley.
Ayan.
Si Shirley po ay tuwan-tuwa.
At ngayon, mga kaibigan, to be awarded by Tita Vanessa and Tita Maui.
Siyempre pa, 4,000 po ang ating consolation. Winning Chick in the City candidate for the day will receive 8,000.
With an average score of 89%, our winning Chicks in the City is contestant number 2, Shirley Gregorio. Congratulations. I'd like to thank Precious and Cherry Sir for joining.
Yun, thank you kay Lolo Crispin sa kay Lola Felicidad from Tichu.
Okay, nandito uli ang walang kakupas-kupas na reigning Chicks in the City, Miss Ai de las Alas.
Thank you very much, Mr. Santiago, and of course, Mr. Bayani, and congratulations sa ating candidate number 2, Shirley Gregorio. And of course, happy birthday sa ating Action King na si FPJ Ninong. Happy birthday! And hi to Archibald family of California. And thank you kay Mr. Boyet Marinas of Hair Watch Salon and Mr. Edwin Uy for my gown and crown. And of course, Bambi Fuentes for my hair. Thank you, ang babait ninyo. And this is your chick saying that the sun is the center of the solar system and moving around it are planets. Sunrise tomorrow will rise at 6:25 a.m. and sunset will be at the Manila Bay. Bye-bye!